Hello everyone and welcome back to TradeSmart AI, where I build and test objective rules-based strategies for TradingView with the help of AI chatbots like ChatGPT. In algorithmic or automated trading, it's absolutely crucial to constantly test new indicators, because you never know when you will find a truly game-changing one. That's why today's strategy is special, because I am using two indicators that I've never tested before, which are the MA Sabres by LuxAlgo and the Weiss Wave Volume by LazyBear. Both creators are known for releasing high-quality indicators, so I highly recommend checking out their other works as well. Also, big shout out to the original creator of this strategy, Ladna Trading. I will leave a link to their original video down in the description. In today's video, first I will break down the original strategy using the exact settings recommended by Ladna Trading for the NIFTY 5-minute chart. Next, we will take a closer look at the backtest results to see if this system is really profitable. If you've been following me for a while, you know I always go the extra mile and optimize these strategies to find the best possible parameter sets. So later in the video, I will show you my own optimized settings and the backtest results. By the way, if you are struggling to get strong backtest results with your own TradingView strategy scripts, I offer strategy optimization in my Patreon shop, link is in the description. Or if you have a strategy idea and need help coding it, I offer private coding too on the same site in my Patreon shop. At the end, we will check out my huge strategy ranking spreadsheet, where I rank every strategy I've created here for TradeSmart AI. And as usual, I will share the full source code with all of you for completely free. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Okay, for this strategy, first head over to TradingView and set up the NIFTY 5-minute chart. Now first, I'm going to show you the original video strategy setup, so with their settings, and then I will show you my optimized version. For this strategy, first open up the Indicators tab and type in MA Sabres. Add this one to your chart. After that, type in Weiss Wave Volume by LazyBear and add this one to your chart. These are the only two indicators we will need for this strategy. The MA Sabres will give buy and sell signals like these with a short trend line. The Weiss Wave Volume will look something like this, and it will confirm our entries of each buy and sell signal. So for example, a long signal like this will be only valid if the Weiss Wave Volume prints green bars. But before I explain the entry and exit rules, first we need to take a closer look on the MA Sabres indicator, because it has a small problem. Let's zoom in on one of its entry signals. I will mark down where the buy signal was printed, that was printed on this candle with the blue dot. And now let's replay the chart. Starting from here, on the next candle's close, we should get the buy signal with the green dot. Let's see what happens. The candle closed and no buy signals are printed on the chart. So if you see something like this with any indicator, that means that indicator might have a repainting problem. Now let's see what happens on the next candle. After the next candle's close, we receive the buy signal. I checked multiple long and short entries, and the printed entry signal is always one candle early than where it really was printed. What does this mean? Does this mean that this indicator is useless? Not at all. It means that if you want real backtesting results, the strategy should only enter into a trade after this candle's closed. So I made sure that when I coded the strategy with ChatGPT, to make the strategy enter one candle later after the supposedly buy signal from the MA Sabres was printed. So our strategy enters on this candle's open. This way we avoided the repainting problem and our backtest results will be accurate and real. Now with that out of the way, now let's see the parameter settings recommended by the creator of the strategy. First open up the MA Sabres by LuxAlgo and make sure to set the length to 40 and the previous trend duration to 21. After that, open up the Weiss Wave Volume and make sure that its trend detection length is set to 2. Also, tick this box right here, this way it will be easier to see the green and red bars. And now let's see the entry and exit rules of this strategy. Okay, here we have a valid long entry signal. As I mentioned earlier, as this indicator has a one candle repaint, we will only enter after the close of the first candle, so right here. For a valid long entry, we need a buy signal, which is a blue dot from the MA Sabres, and a confirmation, a green bar from the Weiss Wave Volume. In this case, we got both of those. So we can enter into a long position at the close of the candle after the buy signal, so this candle, or at the open of the next candle. In real life, a strategy script will enter at the open of the next candle. Now the creator of the strategy explained to put the stop loss to the recent swing low or swing high. Now this is a subjective stop loss placement, so in this case what I usually do is I put the stop loss at the lowest point of the last X number of candles. In this case I choose that X number of candles to be 10 candles, so we will count back 10 candles before the actual entry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And we'll look for the lowest point in case of a long entry, that is right here, and we will place the stop loss right there. This way now the swing low swing high stop loss placement becomes an objective and not a subjective rule. The take profit level will be at a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and that is somewhere around there. In case of this trade, that take profit level was hit right on the entry candle, which is perfect. Now let's see a short entry, then we will move on to the backtest results of the original strategy. After that I will show you my optimized settings and the backtest results with my optimized settings. Okay, here we have a valid short entry signal. For a valid short entry, first you need to see the sell signal from the MA Sabres. But, as I mentioned earlier, that signal is actually printed on this candle and it will be printed one candle back. So this is our real entry signal candle. And for a valid entry, we will also need to see a red bar from the Weiss wave volume. We see the red bar, we see the red dot, the entry signal. So we can enter into a short position at the close of this candle, in real life at the open of the next candle. The stop loss will be placed at the highest point of the last 10 candles, so let's find that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And the highest point is somewhere around there. Let me hide the MA Sabres so we can see it. Yes, exactly right there. Now for take profit, we are using again a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. This was the recommended value by the original creator of the strategy. And that will be somewhere around there. Let's see how this trade plays out. First, it started going to our desired direction, but after that it switched back and ended up with hitting the stop loss. But that's part of trading, it can happen. So this trade was a loser. Now let's see what usually none of these strategy creators show you, the real backtest results. To get the backtest results, I coded the full strategy, which you can see right here. And you can get access to this for completely free. I will explain later how to do that. In the script you can set up the MA Sabres values, you can set up the stop loss lookback period, you can set up the risk to reward ratio, the Weiss wave volume trend detection length, you can limit the backtest range, and you can limit the trade direction. At first we will be checking out the strategy with commission 0.05% and a 10-tick slippage. We are going to use the same order size as our initial capital on each entry. Okay, are you ready for the results? Let's see. This strategy in its current form is just absolutely useless. The equity curve is just heading downwards. From 1st of July 2024 till the 25th of July 2025, the strategy took 165 trades, generated negative 17.99% net profit. Now let's see a bigger range, maybe just the last half year was bad. I will set the start date to 2021, 1st of January, and the end date to 2025, 1st of January. And nothing changes. There were slightly uptrending movement right here, but after that it's just plummeted. But let's check the strategy without using any commission, so I will set the commission to 0 and 0 tick slippage. Let's update the report. And with no fees and no slippage, the strategy is still losing, but looking much better. It had a nice uptrend right here, but after that it started going down again. So the original strategy is not good. But you know me, I love to optimize the strategy settings to find the best parameter setups, so let's see. So these are my optimized settings. For the MA Sabres, I am using 150 MA length and an 18 previous trend duration value. For the stop loss, I am using a 12 candle lookback and a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio. I know this is a bit high, but after optimization, these gave the best results. And for the Weiss wave volume, I am using an 11 trend detection length. The trade direction is set to long only, because long only performed the best. In the properties tab, this is my initial capital, and I am using 6 times of that initial capital on each trade. The commission is set to 0.05% and to 10-tick slippage. Now let's see the backtest results. First I'm going to set the 4-year time interval, I usually check, and the 4-year time interval the strategy was optimized for. So 1st of January 2021 and 1st of January 2025. And these are my results. The trade count is still pretty low, but we have a nice equity curve and we easily outperformed the buy and hold. The total net profit in these last 4 years is 200% and the max equity drawdown is only 27%. The profit factor is 1.8, that's also good. And let's see the performance metrics, trade analysis tab, the risk performance ratios, for those who are interested. Now I like to always explain that do not trust any strategy based on their optimization range backtest results, because you can easily overfit or over-optimize the strategy, which will lead you to start losing money on live market after the optimization date. So I always leave a few months of out-of-sample data that the strategy was not optimized for. Now the optimization range ends on January 1st, 2025, so let me show you how the strategy performs after the optimization date. I will set the start date to 2025, the 1st of January, and the end date to 2025, and today's date, the 24th of July. Let's see the results, and here are the backtest results. Now this is not the best equity curve I've seen, because around 2 or 3 trades generated most of the profits. But it is a good sign that after the optimization date it is still profitable. It took 33 trades, generated 46% net profit, with a 29% maximum drawdown and 1.7 profit factor. So will this strategy continue performing good in the future? I don't know. We have to wait and see. Now let's talk about how you can get access to the script, and then we will take a look on the strategy ranking spreadsheet, where you can find the results for all of my strategies that I have tested on this channel so far. If you want to get access to this strategy for completely free, make sure that you will use the correct parameter settings. These are my optimized settings. And now go down into the description of this video, you will find there a Google Drive link. Click on that Google Drive link, it will lead you to the source code of the strategy script. Copy the source code, come back to TradingView, then open up the Pine editor right here at the bottom. Click here, go to Create New, click on Strategy, highlight everything here, delete it, and paste the source code right here. Once you've done that, you just have to click on the Add to Chart button. If you've done everything correctly, you will see the strategy pop up right here on the top left corner. Again, make sure to use the correct parameter settings. These are my optimized settings. And make sure that you are on the good asset, NIFTY, this one, and on the 5-minute chart, and you can backtest the strategy yourself and see how it performs. And now, to close out the video, let's see the strategy ranking spreadsheet. And here you can see the strategy ranking spreadsheet. You can find the link to this spreadsheet down in the description too. Here I rank all the strategies I have tested so far on this channel, and today's strategy is this one, the MA Sabres plus Weiss wave volume strategy for NIFTY. In the strategy ranking spreadsheet, it took the 40th place currently, which is not a good placement. Here you can see the results. In the 4-year time interval, it generated 200% net profit, but comparing it to the best performers, it is way low. I will put the YouTube video link of this video down here, and the download link for the strategy right here. And that wraps up today's video. Have you tried the MA Sabres or Weiss wave volume before? What were your results? What other indicators should I test next? Drop your suggestions down below. If you enjoyed this one and want to see more, don't forget to show some love with a like and subscribe. And if you want to support my work, check out my Patreon shop for private coding, strategy optimization, or more complex strategy scripts. And for advanced algo traders, make sure to look at my Smart Trader tier membership, all my premium highly customizable strategy scripts, and 50+ optimizations for only $20 per month. Keep in mind that this price will probably increase in 1 or 2 weeks. All the links are down in the description. If you are curious about how powerful my premium strategy scripts in the Smart Trader tier membership really are, check out this video. Or if you'd rather see another simple strategy script, check out this video right here. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.